Hello friends, I'm Dashang Dash. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Shadow Bytes. Now, before moving to the topic of this video, let me say something about my previous video. So, generally, when I upload videos in this channel, I am saying about normal long form videos, not the short videos. So, generally, when I upload videos in this channel, it reaches over 100 views within a week. But that's not the case with my previous video. 7 days passed, but still it barely reaches 76 views. Why such poor video performance? I don't know. Maybe I made many mistakes. Maybe the thumbnail was not good enough. Maybe the way I have said about the topic of that video was not good enough. Later, when I have uploaded a trailer short video to that video, there one of you have commented that why I was reading. Basically, I was reading the features I have added in my previous project. Actually, without reading, I was unable to say the features what I have added. I was just unable to say properly. That's why I was reading. But the way I have said what features I have added was not good enough. Seeing that comment, I understand that that was not good enough. I should have said it in better way. So anyways, thanks for the comment. I will improve that in my upcoming videos. And if I made any mistakes in this video, then please comment down below. Also, if I made mistakes in my previous video, then go watch my previous video as well and comment on that video as well that what mistakes I made. Seeing all your comments, I will improve my new upcoming videos. So that's all about my previous video. Now coming to this video topic, this video is about the update that I pushed on my extreme old project, about which video I have made 4 years back on my first channel, Smart Tech Magics, the real-time face mask detection. In that project, I have added the voice feedback, like wearing a mask, it will say mask detected. If you don't wear mask, then it will say mask not detected, something like that. And I am making this video because few days back, one of you texted me on WhatsApp that please make a voice feedback on that real-time face mask detection. You are saying, and I will not make that project, that is not possible, and so is this video. So without any further delay, let's begin. So friends, at first you need to download the zip file of the project, and this is the zip file. You can download in any folder, but I have downloaded in the desktop. For your case, it may be in the downloads folder. Anyways, just extract it. It will take some time to extract. So it's extracted now. Now just open the folder of the project file. Now copy the folder location. So I've copied. Now just open command prompt, type cmd, and this is command prompt. Now type cd double dot, press enter, again cd double dot, press enter, again cd double dot, press enter, control v, location, oh sorry, cd, then press control v, press enter. Okay, so I am in the project file folder location. Now here you need to type pip install -r requirement.txt, then press enter. All the libraries will get installed. As for my case, the libraries are already installed, so it happens instantly. So okay, now open ideally Python. You can also use VS Code, but for my case, I am opening ideally Python. I've opened, click on, now open the base option to go to the project file is here, then go here, then press here, press the location, then press enter. Now here you need to open the mask detector tts.plat.py, this file, this Python file. Click here, then press enter. Now press F5. So within few minutes the camera will open and it will say if mask is detected or not. Like if I wear mask, it will say mask detected, and if I don't wear mask, it will say mask not detected. It's opening.
No mask detected.
As you can see,
no mask detected.
It is saying
no mask detected. No mask detected.
And it will say mask.
No mask detected. Mask detected.
Now you can see
mask detected.
As I am wearing
mask detected.
It says mask detected. This is
mask
how
detected.
the code works. I mean the project
mask
works.
detected. No mask
I have
detected.
opened mask. Mask is saying no mask detected.
No mask detected.
Wearing mask.
Mask detected.
Mask detected.
Mask detected.
So now
no mask detected.
No mask detected is saying.
No mask
now
detected.
Press Q to stop the stream. So yeah, this is how the project works. So that's all about in this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and find this video helpful, then please hit the like button. Like target is only 50. Please help me to open my target. And if you have any suggestions about this video, or if I have made any mistake in this video, then please comment down below. Seeing your comments, I will improve in my next videos. And if you haven't subscribed my channel Shadow Bytes, then please subscribe it and tap the bell icon beside it, and on the bell icon select all to watch latest coding tutorial videos for anyone else. And also you can join my WhatsApp group. Link to join my WhatsApp group will be given in the description below from where you can join. So yeah, that's it. Once again, thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe, and goodbye.